Hello and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. Today we will talk about how to find your niche for affiliate marketing business, right? So we're gonna find your niche for affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. All right, so here's what's happening. Before you get started with affiliate marketing, we obviously need to know what affiliate marketing is, right? So let's go over it real quick again. Affiliate marketing is the process in which you sell someone else's product and you earn a commission through that sale. So basically, you provide a way for people to buy this product, and whenever someone buys this product, they give you money. They give you money for providing that way for this person to buy this product, or that information that convinced this person to buy this product. That's an affiliate marketer, right? So you could basically start a business without having to invest, without having to do anything, but just simply sit at home, be online, and just recommend products that you might already have, or recommend products that you trust and think are good for people, right? So where do we do this? We do this in affiliate marketplaces. If you want to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, you can go watch the rest of our videos in this channel, but I'm going to give you the secret in just a bit, so stay tuned till the end, right? So let's say that you don't know where to start, and we know that we have affiliate marketplaces such as CJ Affiliate, right? So we might want to start there, or maybe ClickBank, we might want to start there, or maybe Amazon Associates, we might want to start there, right? And then we might want to look for some products, and then we want to take those products and we want to start promoting them on social media, maybe on YouTube, right? All it takes truly is to take a link and share it with people, and then people will buy it and make money, and you will make money, right? But in reality, it's not that simple. Yes, that is how it works. Yes, it should work like that, and it will work like that just on its own, but it might take longer, and it's not gonna generate the most sales if you just do that, right? You have to do a few steps in order for you to be able to sell the most you can, right? To maximize the amount of money you could be earning through affiliate marketing. And you want to do that because who wouldn't want to make more money, right? So basically, one of the first steps you have to do is to find your niche, right? So we have to find a niche. We have to find something to sell. We can't just sell anything, right? Maybe if you've never been in a shop, you're not gonna be selling tools. If you've never liked taking pictures, you're not gonna be selling cameras, right? There's different examples that maybe won't really catch your eye, and if it doesn't catch your eye, it's gonna be really hard to sell. So I would suggest you find something that you're passionate about, you find something that you like, you find something that you are interested in, because it's very hard to sell something that you don't like, something that you don't know, or something that you don't use, right? So you can find inspiration in several ways, but some of the best ways to find inspiration is to sell things you like, things that you might want to buy that you don't have the opportunity to buy just yet, you know, maybe make a review through other people's reviews or something like that, right? But the idea is to find something that you're interested in so that it is easier to sell for you, right? So that's the first step. That's just the tip of the iceberg. This is the introduction to finding your niche. There is way more involved into it, and there is many more facts to consider, right? Some of them are how much competition is there in that niche, you know, how much availability of products is there in that niche. But I recommend that you go to the Affiliates Club. That's right, you go to the affiliates club.com, right? The affiliatesclub.com is a webpage that will teach you step by step how to maximize your potential as an affiliate marketer, right? So they'll teach you and they'll help you know exactly which niche to choose for your business. They'll help you step by step with a blueprint of everything related to affiliate marketing, so you will understand it and learn it 100%. You can learn the 10 rules for affiliate marketing success. You can learn the criticals do nots that cause thousands of people to fail with affiliate marketing, right? So they have a lot of information here. Yes, this is a small investment. You have to pay $6.95 for this blueprint, right? But you can sign up to the affiliates club for free. If you go to the affiliatesclub.com, you can sign up to their webpage for free. You can sign up to their letters. You can get a lot more guidance, right? So this is a very good tool if you're an affiliate marketer, if you want to start a career in affiliate marketing, if you want to maximize the amount of money that you can make through affiliate marketing. I recommend you sign up to the affiliate club, and I recommend you check out the blueprint. Now, let's get back to how to create the niche, right? So there's a few other things that you have to take into consideration. There's a few other things that might help you find that niche in affiliate marketing. So as I mentioned before, you can find inspiration in your hobbies. The more you enjoy something, the more fun it is to write about it. You can look for fields with little competition. The less known niche have smaller audiences, but they're easier to rank for, right? So there's less competition, there's less people selling those products, and if you're providing the best price possible, if you're providing the best information possible, if you're providing the best tools available to sell, then you are going to be making money. And then another way is to target a niche with depth, right? The more extensive your niche, the more topics you have to write about. So don't be too broad. Don't try to cover too many things. Try to stick to one thing, right? So if you play music, stick to music, right? If you say, all right, I'm going to stick to music. What do you play? I play the guitar. Well, stick to guitars, right? Because it's something you already know, because it's something you already play, and because it's something that you already have an opinion on. So you want to share that opinion, and you want to be able to share a valid opinion of someone who has had experience using these products, has had experience taking into consideration everything about the product and describing it as it is and in the best way possible to maybe be able to sell it, maybe just give an honest opinion, but encourage people to sell it, because in the end, if you sell it, you will make money as well. So in order to find your niche, I would suggest you follow those 3 simple steps, right? Make sure that it's something that you enjoy, make sure there's something that there's not that much competition in, and make sure that it is something that you go far enough in depth into, right? Don't try to cover too many things. And maybe you can have more than one niche, but you have to follow these steps in each one of those niches, right? So let's say you like video games. If you like video games, you could sell something related to video games. So I'm gonna sell consoles, right? All right, well, what do you have? I have an Xbox. Well, don't try to sell PS4s because you don't use the PS4, right? So you don't know what good qualities or bad qualities it might have. And you do know what good qualities and bad qualities the Xbox might have. So in that case, you should be talking about Xbox and Xbox game. And well, maybe you only like mystery games. Well, then you have another niche right there, right? So when you're trying to sell it, find that audience that likes mystery games on Xbox and try to sell it to them, right? Because you already know that all of those people cover each of those points that you need in order to sell them a game and for them to have an interest and for you to have an opinion that's valid for them. So if you want to sell more, find your niche, join the Affiliates Club, and we'll see you again in another video. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoy it. If you have been making money with affiliate marketing, please let us know in the comments. We hope that you enjoy our videos. We are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So stay tuned. Please subscribe and make sure you like this video. And we hope to see you again. Thank you. Take care.